Hello, everyone. Today's topic is about the membership option we offer to our valued customers. Let's get started without wasting any time. To begin with, navigate to the membership option in the support menu. On the open page, you'll see three different options. These are in order Warrior, Elite, and Royalty membership. Let's take a closer look at the details, starting with the Warrior membership. This subscription option is priced at $19.99 and provides a 15% discount across the entire store. Additionally, it offers 10 free random DTF transfers every month. Now, let's talk about the Elite membership. Compared to the Warrior membership, the monthly fee is $49.99, and instead of 10, it offers 20 free random DTF transfers every month. Additionally, it provides a 25% discount across the entire store. Finally, we have the Royalty membership. This option is $99.99 and it offers a 50% discount across the entire store, along with 30 free random DTF transfers every month. Also, apart from these, it includes an extra benefit of free 2-day air shipping service. When we return to all the options, it's important to note that the discounts provided with any membership do not apply to any blank apparel. And that wraps up all the info. Now, let's move on to how you can subscribe. First, choose one of the three options and click the Subscribe Now button located below it. Next, on the page that opens, click the Add to Cart button to add it to your cart. From there on, you'll continue to enjoy your perks every month for the same subscription fee. Finally, click the Checkout button to complete your purchase. And that's it. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Take care.